Hi guys, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. And today, fair warning, I'm just letting you know, we are doing a pride pour. It's the last pride pour for this month for me. And I have decided to base it off of the flag that represents fluid gender. And why not? Because this is fluid art and just go from there. So the colors of that flag are fairly close. You just saw it on the screen, but I have permanent violet dark. I have this kind of pale pink, kind of too pale and too pinky for me, but you know, that's what's in the flag. This is anthraquinone blue, and I added the metallic Harbor Sky by Rust-Oleum to it. That flag also has black and it has white, but instead of using white today, I am using Global's Fine Art Acrylic in Pearl Mist. So pretty. Anywho, so that's gonna be mainly my base, and we'll possibly put some layers in here. I'm gonna layer this funnel cup a bit differently, and we'll see that in just a minute. I'm gonna get down here and spread the base. And I really don't want to drag any utensil through it because it will make lines. So I'm just gonna move it around. And then as soon as this is coated, we'll be right back. All right, so I have coated my base coat nice and evenly. And then I'm going to layer up the cup, which I'm actually just gonna sit in the middle of the canvas. And I'm gonna create a negative space piece. So, it doesn't matter. Actually, let me do it this way so you guys can see what's happening. All right. So I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna pour these at the same time. And then maybe I'll come in with the black on this side. Real gentle, because I kind of want them to go down the edge of the cup. There you go. And now I'm gonna do a white semicircle around it. Actually, that's a full circle. It's kind of like a donut inside of there. And then I'm gonna come in with the black and the magenta, or not magenta, but the permanent violet dark. And we'll do a little white all over the top. Whee! All right, that's what we're gonna do, because that sounds like fun. And we are going to funnel pour this out. I was gonna go with some negative space, but you never know. Maybe not. We're just going to start right near. Oh, this is not turning out how I wanted it to, but oh, here we go. Definitely don't want mud. And I'm gonna go back a little bit the opposite way. Back this way. So I am going to kind of lift this and end it early. That's not a pretty one. Hold on. I need a stick to fix that. Why not? You knew it was coming. I know you did. We're gonna go in. And I have a method to my madness. Right now it's just a hot mess, but that's okay. Because then we're gonna come in. We'll come back out. Every other. Yeah, I love the pearl white that's going on in here, but we are going to stretch it right out. I was gonna do negative space, but I don't think I'm going to now because I'm loving this design. And I'm gonna come down to this corner. As an artist, I reserve the right to change my mind on anything. So I may have set out for one way for this piece to turn out, but it's definitely going to go in a different direction than anticipated originally. And I'm actually gonna stretch that and off because I want this to come back. Oh my Lord. I'm gonna leave this just like this. I love this. I'm gonna bring you guys in and you're gonna see all these beautiful glittery sparkly bits on top of this black right now. And I might bring, yeah, no, maybe I'll just leave it alone. Sarah, walk away, and go from there. Let me just get the black in here because it didn't stretch all the way over. I didn't want it to overstretch. And I'm okay with it not being sparkly. Just make sure our corners are covered. I'm gonna come right into here. And I'm coming down here too because as much as I don't mind the pink, I just feel like it needs a little contrast right there. Yeah, I'm digging this. It's almost like a galaxy in the background. It looks like space and it looks like a galaxy flower. All right, we're gonna bring you guys in, so hold please. All right, here it is. I'm loving this. This is all the pearl and it's super sparkly, but it also kind of gives it a space feel. And but yeah, I'm totally digging this. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it because it didn't come out of the cup the way I wanted. It was more like the pearl kind of integrated with everything. But this is winning and I love it. I hope you guys will be able to see the dried results, but if not, it will be in next week's video. Happy Pride. Thank you so much, Nate and Yan, for including me in this wonderful collaboration. If you didn't check out Tracy parodies of Perfection art prior to me, this is the time to go back. Or you just follow along with the playlist link that's below in the description box and you can see the next up artist if you are on the live premiere trains. Again, guys, thanks so much for joining us. Yesterday was part 1, today is part 2. and tomorrow is part 3. So please be checking out those video playlist links below in the description box so you can check them all out. They will run in order. As soon as you click on it, it'll just carry you through everything. All right, have a great day. Bye for now.